Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So in this video I will show you how to add memes in your any video, or you can say for your Instagram Reels video. Now you can add a memes from Instagram application itself, either in between your video or starting of the video or anywhere you want. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to add it. For this you have to open your Instagram account and we'll go to Reels. Here I will start a new video and I will go and select any of my old video, or you can record it. I'm just showing you the example, and click on next. Now I will click on next here, and next, no, sorry, you have to click on edit video. Now you will see the option as clip hub. You have to click and you have to search a meme on the basis of series or actor, actress, whichever is very popular. So for example, I am just searching for a normal funny one. Okay, I typed so whichever I like, I will add it here. For example, this one. And you so select the memes as per your video, and you can click on scale to adjust the video. And once it is added, you can add in the front or a beginning, wherever you want. You can adjust this clip as per that. And once all the setting is done, you can click on this arrow icon, so your video is ready to post. So here you can see I am doing a preview. Due to internet slow, it's taking time. So in this way you can add a memes to your Instagram reels. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.